In the last video, we went over what limits are and how to find them. So in this video, we are going to go over a real-life application of limits to find when your dad is coming home. Your dad went to the grocery store with $3 to buy some milk. It's been 15 years and he hasn't come back. So firstly, let's set up a graph, where the x-axis represents how far your dad is from home, the distance, the distance. And the y-axis represents the time until your dad gets home, the time. Now, one point of confusion for people doing this problem is that usually the x-axis is the one that defines time. However, in this case, the y-axis represents time because I am Asian and I get to make the math rules. I am Asian. The next step is to set up the equation. Your dad left with $3, and is going to obtain 1 liter of milk, which requires 1 trip to the grocery store, which is 1x distance away from your home. So that means the equation is 3 for $3 over x. But realize if x is negative, that means y is also negative, and time cannot be negative. So the equation is actually the absolute value of 3 over x. If we graph that out, the function looks something like this. In order to find out when your dad arrives home, we must take the limit as x goes to 0 of the function f of x. Actually, let's switch to a different color here. F of x. Basically, as the x value approaches 0, what value does the y value approach? As you can see on our graph, the y value, or time it takes until your dad gets home, approaches infinity. The limit as x approaches 0 in respect to the equation of the absolute value of 3 over x is infinity. So basically, your dad is never coming home. Never coming home. And there's your final solution.